So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we have this Eesee.io mainnet launch. They started their mainnet launch from today, 1st of April, and they're going to conclude the mainnet farming or mainnet claiming by 8th of April. And the thing is, they said we add only one rule on our testnet: more users equals to more rewards. We want to say thank you. Okay, we want to reward you for contribution to Eesee and make any mainnet reward easier. All points earned on testnet will be transferred to mainnet at a 1:1 So the points that you earned on your testnet will be transferred to mainnet at 1:1, meaning they are not going to reduce any points from it. But if you been farming referrals, like maybe you used bots, or your referrals are not reliable, then you will not be able to get the 1:1 on this testnet mainnet. So for this mainnet, so you still need to earn points, but for this points, the earning of points is different from how you farmed that of testnet. So I'll be explaining how to go about the Eesee.io mainnet, and the snapshot for this mainnet will be taken by 8th of April. Thereby distribution will be, I think, from 9th or 10th thereabouts. Let me scroll down to the page. There's a point for invited referrals are transferred only if the referral has a one or more on-chain transaction. So before you start asking that, oh, my point has been reduced, my points, this is what I didn't get the same points from of what I had on my mainnet, then you should know the reason. That if your referrals are having some kind of, they've not completed any on-chain transaction, then you will not be able to get the accurate points that you had on your testnet. Points are credited to users only if they have one or more on-chain transaction on his own accounts. So that's for the testnet. There's a claim your reward right after the mainnet launch. These are the updates for the Eesee.io mainnet and the airdrop farming. Claim your reward rights after the mainnet launch and become the leader on every first day. Mainnet reward will also depend on the amount of points that you will earn. So you have just 8 days to farm this mainnet points. You have 8 days to farm this mainnet points. The farming for the mainnet points ends by April, on the 8th of April. Then after the snapshot on the 9th of April, all points earned by users will be converted into tokens before listing the token on exchange. Hurry up to farm. You have only 8 days to maximize the amount of airdrop you will get. So your testnet points plus mainnet points equals your airdrop rewards. In short, so they say be among the first. Buy ticket equals to 500 points. If you buy a ticket, you get 500 points. So the more tickets you have, the more points you have. Timing from April 1st to April 8th. Buy at least one ticket in any slots. In any lot. Price 500 bonus points. Join mainnet. Buy your first ticket and claim your points. So let me click on their list. And I think I saw some NFTs here. I don't know. Are these ones free? Let me check this one. I want to check how they are. I knew I saw some NFT. So let me just use the opportunity to meet this free NFT. But it seems you'll be needing base Ethereum as gas fee. Let me see if my base Ethereum will be enough to meet this NFT. Okay, why this mainnet this thing keeps loading? What's going on? So I'll just switch network to the base Ethereum. Let's see. I don't know what the NFT is gonna be like, but they said Eesee MainNet point and reward review. So they have a free NFT for it on base network. So let me see if I will be able to meet this, and if my base is enough to meet this NFT. I don't think this is compulsory, guys. The meeting of this NFT that I'm doing, you might not want to, but I just want to on my own. Okay, I think it's still loading. What's going on with the NFT? And they are also listing on Blast. Let me click from here. Okay, maybe I'll come back to this, the NFT. It's not loading. So this is the Eesee is for everyone. Eesee will help you sell and own assets. What is your role? Okay, let me skip this. So you have to connect your wallet. You come here, you click on connect wallet, and let's see what their buying looks like. Even though I've not tried their buying, but let me just see what their buying looks like. I think they should have upgraded the site, because the site is kind of always slow. I don't know. By now they should have upgraded their website. Can you imagine? Look at how long it's taking for all of these things. So now we are connecting to Blast. If you don't have, if you've not added Blast to your network on MetaMask, you can go to chainlist.org to add Blast to your MetaMask. But by default, normally, if you don't have any network on your, or if you don't have a particular network on your MetaMask and you are interacting on the website do add it by itself. It will tell you add network and MetaMask will pop up. But if you are not seeing all of those things, go to Chainlist. I don't know why is this thing taking forever now. I want to type chain. If I cancel it now, I don't know. MetaMask load now. Yeah, so guys, you can go to chainlist.org to add Blast network to your MetaMask if you are yet to. But as I said earlier, by default, when you are switching network like that, it's automatically hard. It will just tell you to approve and all of that. When you go to I've misspelled this, chainlist.org, you see add net, you search for Blast. Chainlist.org. So this is it. Let me search for Blast. So this is Blast MainNet. If I click on add to MetaMask, then I'll be able to get it, because I have it on my MetaMask already, so I won't be using it. This is just for knowledge sake. So that is how to add Blast. Now let's go back to this mainnet, this Eesee MainNet. How to deposit on this Eesee MainNet. I think what they are doing is you have to get Blast and sending to, but I think all of those processes is kind of somehow, because even myself I was like, why is this thing so complicated? So I improvise on my own, and I saw that it works. Once you log in with this with your MetaMask wallet, once you log in, you connect your MetaMask wallet with this Eesee.io. I will drop you the registration link to join this Eesee MainNet. I'll drop it to the description box or the pin post in the comment section. Go through that link and sign up for this mainnet. Then connect your MetaMask wallet or connect the wallet, the same wallet you use for your testnet. Connect same wallet. Then come to this dollar sign here, and you see by default this is Eesee wallet. And if I click on this drop down arrow, I'm seeing my MetaMask wallet here. So I'll still leave it on the Eesee wallet, and let's try on how to deposit on this Eesee wallet to get the USDB. This USDB is what you need to buy a ticket on this Eesee MainNet. And every ticket you are buying on this Eesee MainNet, you are getting 500 points per ticket. So the more tickets you can buy, the more points you earn. As simple as that. That's how it works. So let me go to the deposit. I'll click on this deposit. You can see I'm still under Eesee wallet. I'll click on deposit. I'm gonna be using Polygon. I tried it and it works. So I'll switch to Polygon. Then because I have some small Matic here, then I'm just gonna, you see what I will be doing. If it won't work, then this will not be loading. It will show me the gas fee and all of that. You see, once I'm having Polygon Matic on my MetaMask wallet that is connected to this Eesee.io. Then the moment I select Polygon here, then I come here to, I change it to Polygon. Then it's bought the balance. My balance is showing here, this balance. I'm having 0.3 Matic here. I selected this 0.3. If I click on deposit, it will tell me low gas fee or something. What I will just do is to top up. I'll top up the gas fee to top up my Matic, and I will use Matic on this thing. I'll use Matic to deposit here. And automatically I will get insufficient funds. So the moment I transfer some Matic here, to this, then I'll switch over to my Matic and deposit from Polygon Matic to this Eesee.io, to this Eesee wallet rather. Then I'll switch back to Blast and proceed. By default, once I deposit Matic, then I will be having any amount of the Matic that I'm depositing. I will be having the equivalent in USDB. That's what I'm going to do. That's how I'm going to get my USDB. But for now, I don't think I have any other thing, because the other options is going to Monoswap and use Ethereum to buy this Blast. You use it, and I think that is quite expensive. If I go to Monoswap, I think I saw the the link. Monoswap, you can buy this USDB on Monoswap with wrap Ethereum. That means you need Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet. Then you go to Monoswap and convert it to USDB. Then it will be on your Ethereum wallet. You have it here on your Ethereum wallet. Then you come back to this Blast and proceed with your deposit on Eesee.io. But for my own, I'll be using Matic since it's working. Matic is working. I'll just top up on my Matic. Then I think they are doing the bridging by themselves. They will bridge it to this USDB by myself, on their own, and I'll proceed to buy a ticket. So after buying the ticket, then you can do some challenge here. Let's click on explore. You can use it to buy NFTs. But by default, once you buy a ticket, you'll be able to, you see, enter now, 12 USDB. So if you buy all of these things, it gives you more points, and more points equals to more airdrop tokens. As simple as that. What you just need is to have this USDB. So you can go to Monoswap and use your Ethereum to buy USDB, or use my home method. I think it will work by using the Polygon Matic. Then they will bridge back to the USDB on Blast network. They are doing the bridging themselves. They are bridging automatically. So guys, this is what I think about the Eesee.io mainnet. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you are yet to, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing updates as things evolve. See you guys.